Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video because I have some good news for you. Okay, let's start now. But first, let me get this. I'm gonna make a video on that later on. And skin. This is Nana skin, not skin. The other skin, the seasonal skin of Nana. Some people have Nana. They play a lot with Nana because every time I play, there is Nana all the time. Because Nana is one of a power, not powerful, best maze ever, like that. And you can buy him in fragments. Wait, fragments, fragments. 250 fragments. You can buy this Nana. You can buy Nana. Whoops, not that. Overtime. And you can buy the original skin in this. I don't know how to describe it. 6,500. Yeah, I guess. You can buy him. That I like the skin of him but I cannot afford him and buy him because I don't have enough fragments to buy him in Nana. Yeah, this all this in video, and this is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and this comment and subscribe.